Hey guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at BlueAnt SoundBlade, an Under Monitor soundbar designed to elevate your desktop audio experience across various activities. A big thank you to BlueAnt for providing me with the SoundBlade for today's review. First, let's take a look and see what we get in the box. So in the box you'll get the SoundBlade itself, a user manual, a remote control complete with 2 AAA batteries, an AC power cable, USB to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm auxiliary cable, and 8 extender feet for customizable setup options. The SoundBlade comes in 5 color options: charcoal, white, blue, green, and pink, giving you plenty of options to match your desk setup. Setup is really easy. All you need to do is plug in your power cable and then choose from 3 connection options. You can use Bluetooth, USB, or auxiliary. My computer doesn't have a USB-C port, so I use the USB-C to A cable, ensuring a seamless connection to my computer. The Bluetooth feature also opens up the possibility to connect to your mobile phone or even your smart TV, adding versatility to your audio setup. Designed to sit over your monitor base, the SoundBlade is a space saver, perfect for those with limited desk space. The included extender feet ensure a secure fit over your monitor base, accommodating different monitor configurations. And the rubberized feet prevent any unwanted vibration or rattling. While the raised position may not be as visually pleasing as the lowered one, if you have a monitor base similar to mine, you may need to decide between the visual appeal or the high quality audio, where a possible workaround could be putting your monitor on a monitor arm. So if your monitor base is similar to mine and has really thick feet, you'll find that when it's raised as low as it goes, it doesn't sit nice. So you have to use the extender feet to have it sit up over the monitor base properly. But for me, I just didn't like the way that looked. So a possibility might be doing something like looking for a monitor arm, so then I can have my SoundBlade sitting nice and neatly under my monitor and not taking up any extra desk space, and I can still have it lowered, and that way is a win-win. But I feel like for a lot of monitors you shouldn't have a problem. I think they did test this on a lot of monitors, so I think just because mine's a gaming monitor, it does have a really wide base that sort of sticks out on an angle, and that's why I'm having these issues. So it might be worth just measuring, and make sure you think about how you want it set up and how you want it to look before you think about getting one. So just take that into consideration, and if using the extender feet doesn't bother you at all, that's perfect. But yes, I think I might think about getting a monitor arm so I can have it lowered. Now let's talk about what truly matters, the sound quality. During gaming, the SoundBlade exceeded my expectations. The accuracy and detail from the footsteps or to the ammo dropping on the ground really elevates the gaming experience. While I usually opt for headphones when playing games, there's something special about experiencing high quality audio coming through your speakers, or in this case, a soundbar. The included remote is a handy addition, allowing effortless volume adjustment and quick toggling between game, music, and movie mode, or you can make these changes directly on the SoundBlade for convenience. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a quick sound demo.
Bring me back to reality. Take me to a place that's never seen us go. You be my girl, bird of the summer sky. I'll keep on driving, I'm still rolling. You fall asleep in the passenger side. I love when we're driving.
So overall, the BlueAnt SoundBlade offers a blend of unique style, functionality, and impressive audio. The only drawback I found was the need for extender feet. Personally, I just don't think it looks as good when you have it raised up compared to when it's lower, but this is just my personal preference. So apart from that, I think it's a really great soundbar and has really great sound, so I think most people are going to really enjoy that side of it. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to go check it out. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.